Hello, welcome all to our Java channel, and I'm Amrita Auti, and I'm going to conduct today's topic getting started with Java program. So these are the contents of our today's topic. We will primarily will concentrate on installation of Java onto machine. First is the Windows operating system and the Ubuntu. So the installation and the setup which we need to do on our Windows machine, then installation on Ubuntu. So then we will start with our first Java program. Then after that, how to compile the Java program, how to execute it, and the last part will be quiz. So let's get started. So in the we will first see the installation on Windows. Probably when you are going to start any Java application or any Java program, first you need to have the Java installed in your machine. So if it is not there, then we have to install it. But first, usually because Java is uh, f- uh, all over famous now, and mostly we in our machines we have that, but we have to check that first. So how we will check the Java is installed in our machine or not? Then you just need to go to the command prompt, open the command prompt, and then just enter the command Java space hyphen version. So if Java is installed, then you can see this, which is shown in the figure. So if it will show you the Java version. So in my machine it is Java version 11.0.17, and which JVM is working in my machine. So this information will be displayed. And if Java is not installed, then you have to choose the correct Java version which you need for your Java applications, and then download that JDK for the Windows. And once you download it, you need to just run the installer, Java installer. So when the Java is installed, then you have to do the setup on Windows. So how you will do that? So for that you need to go to the control panel, then system and security, system, and go to the advanced system settings. In the advanced tab, you have to click on the environmental variables button, and in that you have to select the path variable of the system, and if it is present, then you have to click on the edit button, and if it is not in the edit, you have to click on the new button. So now you have to go to the path where you have installed your Java. So by default, Java is installed in the directory C program files Java. But if you have changed that path while installing the Java, then you have to go to that path up to the bin and copy that path. In our case, it will be C program file Java JDK 11.0.1 bin, and then copy that, paste that in the path variable where we have edited that, then OK, and save the setting. This will do the setup of Java in our Windows machine. So this is the screenshot of setting the environmental variables in Windows. And of course, when you are done with the setup, you have to go to the command prompt again, and I have to check whether the Java is successfully installed or not. So how you will be do that? So you have to just enter the command Java space hyphen version and enter. If it is giving the correct version of your JDK, then you are done with your installation and the setup. So the next part will be installation on Ubuntu. So here also the same set of steps. First you have to check whether Java is already installed or not. If it is not, then issue the sudo app update command, and check whether it is installed or not. Or if it is not installed, then install the Ubuntu's default JDK with apt and set the Java home globally for all the Ubuntu users. Then run Java on the command prompt to test whether it is installed or not. So what will be the command? Same like we have given in the Windows. So it will be Java space hyphen version. So it will give the JDK install in your machine. So now we have done with our Java setup in both Windows and the Ubuntu. So let's get started with our first Java program. So how it will look like? So this which I am showing you. It is a simple simple and basic Java program. So these two lines, my first program and my program.java, these are having forward slash double forward slash in the beginning. That means these are the Java comments. Double slash double forward slash are the comment. So what the comment in the Java suggests us, that it will not be executed or compiled by the compiler or the JDK. So this is the comments in Java. So my first program, and what is the name of this program? My program dot Java. So you can give name as per your choice. It can be my first Java program, my application, first program, as you want. You can give, but just keep in mind that it should be dot Java. Okay, and it is a rule that you should have that name of the program or name of the application start with the capital letter. So then it will get started with the class my program. So class is the keyword to specify this is a class, and then the name of the program. So the name of the program and the name of the file should be same. That is, we have saved with the name myprogram.java because our class name is myprogram, which is having the main method. So our program name is myprogram. Then curly bracket, that is start of the class. Then public static void main string array args. So what this line indicate, it has more than 5 or 6 keywords. So first is the public one. So public meaning that it is a access modifier in Java. So there are four access specifiers: private, protected, public, default. So this is the public because we want the main method to be executed, or main method can be visible in all the time, like it is publicly available. Then static. Static is a keyword which is used for the main method because we are accessing the main method without instantiating the our class. So you will get to know what is instantiation of class, what is object. So you will get to know in the latter part of the our sessions. So static meaning we are accessing the main method without creating the object of our class. So next is void. Void is a keyword. It specifies that the main method is not returning anything. It is returning void. Okay, and this is the main. So main method is the entry point for any Java application. So whether your program is of one class, two class, or many classes having multiple packages, but you have only one main method in your whole application. So main is the main entry point where your JDK or the your Java application start. Okay, main is the entry point. Keep this in mind. Okay, then next we are providing the parameter string array of args. So we are in the main method we are passing the string array with the name as args. You can rename the args as per your choice. And then we are just printing this line. This is my first Java program. So how we are going to print it? By using system.out.println. So system is the class, out output stream, it is like output stream, and println, it is just printing. Then println printing in the next line. The next line will be in the next line. Okay, system.out.println. So what will be the output of this program? It will print, this is my first Java program. Okay, so once you save this program, so you have to compile that. So to compile, you have to give the command as Java C. Java C is the Java compiler. So Java C, then the name of your program. So our program name is myprogram.java. So it should be same. It is a case sensitive. So it should be same as you have saved your program. Okay. And the next part will be to run the application. So see, compilation will do by the Java compiler, and this will create the dot class file, and dot class file is dot class file is created in the same folder where you have saved your program by default. And after this we have to run the program to see our output. So to run the program we have to give the command Java, not Java C, it is Java only, and then the name of the program. It will not be .java or anything. It's just the name of your application or the program. So this is the code snippet which shows you how the um, compilation and the execution of the program will work. So first given as Java C my program.java, then Java my program, and the output will be this is my first Java program. So now our first program is completed. Now you can check at your system. You have to just run the sample program to test. Okay. Okay. So how the execution flow will be? So the first is the source code, that is a.java. Then when it is compiled by the Java compiler, that is Java C, it will be converted into dot class file, a dot class. So it is a bytecode. And then when it is run, then the Java virtual machine. So Java virtual machine consists of many parameters like Java class loaders, different class loaders. So Bootstrap loader is there, system loader is there. So there are different class loaders available in the Java. Then bytecode verifier, JIT compiler. So all are part of a JVM. So when we run the program, that native machine code in the native machine code specific, the program output will be there. So that file will be in the bytecode. Okay. So I hope you have got all the point to run your first Java program. So now let's go with the quiz. Okay. So first question is, what is the correct syntax to output hello world? So what will be the answer? So first, system.out.println hello world, print hello world, echo hello world, console.write hello world. So think about it. So guess what will be the output? Yeah. So the output will be, the correct syntax will be system.out.println hello world, because in our sample application also we have used this system.out.println. Okay. Yeah, so the next question, how do you insert comments in the Java code? These are the options. So guess what will be the correct answer? Give a try. A, B, C or D? Yes, it will be B, the double forward slash. So in our sample program also we have first two lines, the comments we have given. Okay. Yeah. So the last one is, which method is the entry point for any Java application? Yeah, I have told you in this session also. So the options are init, run, start, and main. Yeah. So what will be the answer? Yeah. So the answer is D, main method. So in our any Java application, the entry point is the main method. Okay. Okay, thank you and happy learning. See you in the next session.